Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide apps on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide apps on your Play Store, guys, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. So guys, we will not be able to directly hide the apps on Play Store, but we will be able to restrict the amount of apps that come into Play Store through the parental protection. So to do that, after opening your Play Store, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the settings option at the bottom of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the fourth option, guys. Here it says family. Tap on the fourth option where it says family, and you can see the parental controls option over here. Tap on the parental controls, and guys, turn it on. You can see the parental controls are currently turned off, so let's turn it on and let's enter the pin number over here for our security code. And this will be the security code you use later on to install any apps from the Play Store, guys. After entering your pin, tap on OK, and this kind of interface will appear where the toggle icon is blue and parental controls are on. Now you can see the app and games option over here. Tap on the app and games over here, and you can see, guys, there are these categories where it says rated for 3+, rated for 7+, 12+, 16+, and rated for 18+, where it says currently we are on the allow all including unrated least restrictive option over here, but the first one rated for 3+, most restrictive. You guys tap on that, and this category is the most restrictive, where the violent apps and the apps which you want to hide from the Play Store will not appear if it's on the 3+. And if you tap on the same, guys, only the apps which are for the 3 years babies or 3+ years babies, 3 to I guess 7, those kind of apps will appear on your Play Store after you have enabled this option and tap on save. And with that being done, guys, you will start to hide apps on the Play Store which you want to hide, and apps which are only suitable for the children above 3 years will be available over here. So with that being done, guys, most of the apps which are not suitable for the babies above 3 years will be hidden, and that includes very much applications. And with that being said, this is how to hide apps on Play Store, guys. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.